Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some items to show you. Compliments of GBFKE. GBFKE. A little rhythm to it. All right, we're going to do this in one take because I have so much stuff to show. So from so many places, I just need to do one video. All right, so I bought another one of these. I bet you can tell what it is by looking at this. However, it's a little different than the first one I bought. They are these storage cubes, which, someday I'll have my life together and actually use them. Today's not that day, but, Anyhow, there's our drills. Blues. All right. This one's a little different because, well, first of all, you saw that it's regular drills. Okay, regular drills. The one I got before is special drills. This is regular drill, and it's full coverage. This whole side is covered, full, okay? There's plastic on here. You'll pull it back. I know that it's in here. It's in here. You gotta work to get it out. And I'm not gonna do that right now. I saw Brandy. Brandy was like, I couldn't get that plastic off. No, because it's right in here. You're going to have to cut it first and pull it off. So we're not even going to mess with that right now. But these are a nice size. I love them. Oh, look what's inside. Ooh. Our toolkit is inside and our legend, because there's really no place to put your legend on here. So they give you this nice little slip of paper, 13 colors. And we're going to put that in with the drills, okay? But it's just this moonlit night with a tree. I thought it was super pretty. And it's a full coverage. I'm going to have to get a little X-Acto knife and cut the plastic here to get it to come out. It's sewn right in there. I think, yeah, it's sewn right in. So that's what Brandy was struggling trying to get it off. I learned from her. See, we learn from each other. Anyhow, I'm not going to open all the drills because you can clearly see them. They do have the DMC codes on the packaging. 3843, 3845, 5200. So the DMC codes are on the bags, which is nice. So I'm just going to open this. Like I said, I'm going to put my little slip of paper right in here so it does not get lost. Because knowing me, heck, I think I lost the drills to the other one for a while. I found them. They got misplaced. Anyhow, all right, what else did I get? I always try to find some cute, nifty things. This glue, you guys, I don't know what they put on here, super glue or something. I just don't know. But it's glue. That's all I got. It's glue, and it doesn't like to come off. All right. What do we have? What's this one? I don't know. It's been a minute. It's been here for a week or more, which is unusual for me to have unboxings sitting around that long. But I've been busy. I've been working, actual work, teaching. Trying not to do that anymore. Well, look at those, because those are interesting colors. This is going to be one of those canvases that the colors are going to be weird, but they're going to turn out. You know what I mean? There's 16 of them. There are words on this, so let's hope we can read it. Oh, my goodness. Yes, you can. Okay. Do you want to sing right now? Have I told you lately that I love you? Yeah, one of our favorite songs, one of my favorite songs. It's just the perfect love song. But this is going to have all kinds of colors. It's supposed to look like wood. Look at the picture up close. It looks like wood. I would call it shiplap, barnwood. You call it what you'd like. But that background is going to be like paneled wood, And all of these colors are going to make it look that way. And look at those words. Bam. Yeah, I think I just ordered another one similar to that. Yeah, I think I did. I know I did. All right, 16 colors. DMC codes are on the canvas. Did I show you close enough? Look, let's get close. In the business. How's that? Drill field. There's a drill field. There's the legend. 2 legends. I'm in a mood. Just look out. I'm in a mood. I am doing a whole bunch of filming today, and I'm getting like more punchy with each video. So we have like purpley browns, purples. Now, do you see purple on that canvas when you look at it? Does purple just come out and just right in the face? No, but there's a lot of purples in there, and it's going to help to make that wood. How about pink? You would not think that looks pink. But like I said, all of these colors, the pinks, the purples, the greens, are going to make this look like wood. Okay? That's a gray, but it's kind of blue. Don't get me wrong, it's actually blue too. Another gray. Another, okay, letters, we get that. Letters are black. Where's the orange go? The peachy orange color. See? I mean, those colors just, you don't look at that canvas and see those colors. You just kind of, I don't know. I like how that works, so it's a trickery of your mind. It's going to work. It's going to be cute. I'm going to love it. All right, what's this one? Can we open it, or do we need the knife? Well, let's get the knife. However, this canvas is right here. I just really need to start it. That's what I need, see? Once I have a start, I'm good. Oh, and then we get another bag. Oh, look, I can tell that's going to be special drills. Can you tell that already? I can tell. I am collecting. Seriously. I know it's here. Hello. I can feel it. There it is. I'm collecting for Smashing the Specials. Yes, there will be a Smashing the Specials round 2. Ding, ding. I believe that's August. With my good friend Brandy. I know she's got a few. And I've been, look at all of the drills to place on that thing. And look at, those are not rhinestones. Look at the shapes of those. Most of those are not rhinestones. The branches, or I think they're branches. Yeah, it's a tree. The branches are rhinestones, but this other stuff is not. It's special shapes. You guys, this is going to have a ton of shaped drills, not just rhinestones. Sometimes the kits are rhinestone heavy. This one appears to be special shaped heavy. It's just a tree, right? But it's a pretty tree. Look at the brown trunk. I have gotten stuff from them before. See this logo at the bottom in the cursive writing? It just says diamond painting. I have gotten kits from this manufacturer before, and I have loved every single one of them. I have done several with this logo at the bottom, and they just turn out super nice. There are 12 different shapes and drills. And isn't it going to be pretty? Let me zoom you in. You guys are like 60 feet away. I don't know. There we go. What do you think? Pretty, right? Yeah, it's going to be pretty. Little flowers dangling out of the tree. It's a flowered tree. Floral tree. Okay. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of shaped drills in here. Let's see what they are. Some marquees and some teardrops and who knows what all we're going to get. We're about to find, I'm right, see? Yeah, there's only a few rhinestones. So here's a pinky purple rhinestone. An amber looking rhinestone. How about a whole stuffed packed full bag of gold blobs? I'll call them blobs. I can't think of a better name. There's an orange one and a red. That's your rhinestones. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then we have that pretty orangish red round. Then we have some beautiful AB teardrops. Now we're really close. Have some green, purple, whatever color teardrops. Look, okay. Oh, that color is beautiful. It does not pick up anywhere near as pretty. Look at it. It's gorgeous. It's a turquoise, and there's a ton of it. Oh, can I be happier with that? I don't think so. Then we have some larger ones in like a cobalt blue. some little green, and these are like purple. Oh my gosh. See? I told you it's going to be beautiful. This company, whoever this manufacturer is with that cursive logo at the bottom, they do special drills right, you guys. They do them right. They do a great job. That's not going to work because I have a big one coming. I'm going to have to move you over here. Just go over there with your friends. One more small one, and then we have a big one. Oh, look, this one opened. Yay. This one opened. Look what I see. First thing I come out of the bag. Look at that color. Whoa, look at that color. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Da, 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 da. All right. You know me and flowers. We might not open these drills because they're pretty self-explanatory. There's our kit. Greens, yellows, yellows, some brown, greens, yellows, some blue, greens, oranges, yellows. Okay, they're pretty self-explanatory, right? We'll save the drill opening for the next one but look at this, look at this, look at this. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Maybe if you could see the whole thing, you'd say, yeah, that's cool. Mindy, that's cool, right? No. Oh, isn't it pretty though? So pretty. It's just this bunch of sunflowers and then the background back there. So pretty. It has 25 colors, you guys. 25. Letters and numbers are our symbols. Okay, let's do it. Let's look. All right, we got 3s. We have R's. But you can tell the difference. Those are easy to tell apart, the 3s and the R's. I think this one's good. You know, choice of symbols is really so important. And when, you know, you're having to drill something that looks confusing, it gets frustrating. So symbol choice is important. I like this one. This one's good. It's good. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. What more can I say about that one? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, right? Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay. Are we batting 1,000? I think we're batting 1,000. And then we got that. The beast. I call that one the beast. Sorry, like I said, I've been filming all day. My throat's a little dry. Okay, so already, look, what do you see at the bottom of this already? See those big spaces? Special drills, yes. Hopefully they're those flowers. I don't even remember what the picture looks like at this point, but I know that that's going to have special drills on it, right? And it's going to be big, so let me roll it, roll it, roll it. Oh, there's some places that aren't drilled. Okay, so this is like a partial. Let's see what we got. We haven't gotten one of these that's a partial, I don't think. Most of them have been full drill. We'll see how this one looks, how it turns out. We'll save that for a little bit later. Toolkit. Drills are beautiful colors. Okay, let's see how this looks. What's partial and what's drilled. It's got 34 colors. Okay, so right there you can see the sky is not drilled. Okay, down here at the bottom looks to be water, is not drilled, and some of this isn't. Willow tree. It's a willow tree. That's my guess. Okay, I'm going to have to zoom you out. Wrong way. Out. Out. Out you go. Okay, so, oh, well, look at, none of that is drilled. This might not take too long. There's a lot of it is printed. And there's some of the special shaped areas. Okay, let's keep going. We have a cottage. There we go. We have a cottage. So the water is not drilled. The sky is not drilled. I mean, I don't mind that. This path is not drilled. Can you see the path? Yeah, you can see it. So it's very bright and colorful and cheery. And I don't hate it. I don't mind that some of it is not drilled. I really don't. I think it will be fun. It will make it quicker. And the colors are fantastic. Look at this pink tree here. Look at all the pink in that tree and all these flowers. Those are going to be super fun, the flowers. Then the red trees and bushes around the little cottage. I like it. I mean, I like it. It says it's 50 by 100. So let's see. Let's measure this way and see what our measurement is. Want to make any guesses? I have a number in my head. Let's see if I'm right. I guessed 45, but it's 44. So it's about 6 centimeters less each direction. So, but that is really, really pretty. Those colors are just something, aren't they? Wow, that's nice. Oh, look, we have like a couple of ducks or something over here. They're just kind of a faint little blur in the water, but we got some ducks. All right. I'm not going to go through every single drill in here. Wait, let me talk about the legend real quick. 34 colors, DMC codes, numbers, letters, and then a few symbols. And we have YQ20 and YQ21. Those are going to be our specials. There is a legend on both sides. There's one over there too. Okay? All right. We're just going to open these enough to get a sense of the colors and see our special drills. And there they are. They're in there. Okay, so like, look at the pretty pinks and oranges and reds. This has got fantastic, fantastic reds and pinks. Oh, this is one strip. Hey, let's do that. Blues. Some bright yellows, pretty, pretty colors. I hope you can see them well enough. Then, oh, look at these. Some more pinks. Here's all of our greens for our trees. Lots and lots of greens, more greens. And here they are, folks. The flowers. Yellow flowers and pink flowers. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. My camera is being a ditz. Come on, there we go. Nice. I like them. Quite a few of them. They're pretty. Like I said, here's all of the greens. Some more pinks. Some browns. I like it, you guys. I like it. Okay? Wow. Okay, well, that is what I got from GBFKE. I like every single thing. I don't know what you think, but I like all of them. I like them all. So I will link all of them below so you can go check them out as well. And if you want to go peruse their website some more, you know, you can get there through the paintings that I link easily enough. So how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. All right. Thank you for hanging out with me and seeing what I had to show and maybe finding something you liked yourself. Prices will be in the links, you know, so check it out. If you enjoy what I do, like my antics, and I sang today, I know, sorry. But, you know, come back and see me some more. Subscribe, hit the bell so you know when videos are coming out. Come have a good time. Come hang out. Thanks so much, you guys. And I got to put this away because I might have even one more video to film today. Yeah. Trying to get a whole bunch done. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.